Hello guys, and welcome to Math Made Easy with Mr. T. Welcome! Hello, let's solve inequalities easily. Our objective, I can solve inequalities using multiplication. Let's begin. Our objective, I can solve inequalities using multiplication. Let's do this. Number 1, a divided by 3 is less than 5. How are we going to solve this? We are going to isolate first the variable. And in this case, it is variable a by removing any number near, over, under it. And in this case, it's 3. So, we are going to multiply 3. So, we can remove number 3 or the number. Okay? Always remember when you do multiply on the left side of the equation, do that on the right side. And the inequality sign separates the left side and the right side of the equation. So, we need to multiply 5 by 3. Just like that. Then, we cancel 3, leaving our variable a isolated. So we can simply copy it down, a, then bring down the inequality sign is less than, then the answer 5 times 3, which is 15. Just like that, you got it. Our final answer, a, is less than 15. Let's have another example. Let's do this. X divided by -4 is greater than 3. X divided by -4 is greater than 3. How are we going to solve this? Our goal is to isolate the variable, right? By multiplying -4. Again, when you multiply something, any number on the left side, do that also on the right side. And the inequality sign separates the left and the right. Okay? So, we need to multiply also -4. Okay? So, that cancels -4. Leaving our variable, the letter x, isolated. There you go. Then, just simply, what will happen next here? Always remember, guys, when you divide or multiply both sides of an equality by a negative number, do not forget to flip the sign. Okay, I almost forgot. Okay, so what will be the sign here? The sign will be less than. Okay, then after that, 3 times -4. When you multiply different signs, +3 times -4, it will give you negative. And that is -12. Just like that. Our final answer, x, is less than -12. You got it. Let's have number 3. M divided by -2 is greater than or equal to 8. M divided by -2 is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, let's isolate the variable by using multiplication. When you multiply -2 on the left side of the equation, do that on the right side. The inequality, okay, don't forget that separates the left side and the right side of the equation. So we're going to multiply -2, okay, by 8. That will cancel first -2, leaving our variable isolated, okay, m, all by itself. Then, okay, then this one, the remainder. Always remember, if you divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, do not forget to flip the sign. Flip the sign. So, is greater than or equal to sign became is less than or equal to sign, just like that. Then after that, solve 8 times negative 2. Different signs will give you negative number or negative answer. That is, okay, negative 16. Just like that, our final answer is m is less than or equal to negative 16. You got it. Let's have additional practice. Again, our objective, I can solve inequalities using multiplication. Let's do this. Number 4. Z divided by negative 8 is greater than or equal to 4. Z divided by negative 8 is greater than or equal to 4. Again, isolate the variable. How? By using multiplication. We need to divide negative 8. Again, when you divide negative, or when you multiply negative 8 on the left side, okay, do that on the right side. The inequality sign separates the left and the right, okay? So we need to multiply 4 by negative 8, okay? So let's proceed. Negative 8, okay, when you multiply negative 8 by z divided by negative 8, it cancels 8, leaving our variable isolated. Okay, just copy it. Then this one, okay, you multiply by negative number. So when you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, do not forget to flip the sign. Flip the sign. Is greater than or equal to will become is, or is less than or equal to. That's it. Then, okay, solve 4 times negative 8. That will give you negative answer, which is negative 32. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. We have z is less than or equal to negative 32. You got it. Just like that. Now it's time to test your skills. Again, our objective, I can solve inequalities using multiplication. Bring out your paper and pen. You can do this. Number 1. Z divided by 3 is less than 8. Z divided by 3 is less than 8. Number 2. Y divided by negative 2 is greater than negative 4. Y divided by negative 2 is greater than negative 4. Number 3. X divided by 4 is less than or equal to 10. X divided by 4 is less than or equal to 10. Number 4. W divided by negative 3 is greater than or equal to negative 11. W divided by negative 3 is greater than or equal to negative 11. And number 5, V divided by 3 is greater than 9. V divided by 3 is greater than 9. If you need more time, you can pause this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something today. If you need more Math Made Easy videos with Mr. T, you can visit my channel at www.youtube.com Jason Tintiman Playlist. See you there! Thanks for watching. Always remember, stay safe and healthy.